Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create thumbnail for travel videos using Canva. As you can see, we are into Canva and here we are going to click on the create button, and here we can simply search for YouTube thumbnail, or you can either select it from here as well. So I have selected it directly. Now we are going to search for a travel related image, right? You can upload it as well in the upload from your device. For example, I am just using this one image and I'm just adding this image in the background. Right now what we can do is we can simply search for, you can also use this travel, right? It's looking nice. We can remove this background. Great. We can also flip this image if it is required. Yeah, we can also add gradient. So in the elements you can simply search for gradient, go to the graphics, select this one, and you can do this as well. Okay sir, I just want to add the gradient in the back. Then how I can do it? Let me tell you. You can go to elements again and you can simply select the photo that you just added, right? So I've added this photo. Now I will simply flip it horizontal. Done. And now we are going to remove the background, right? And we can simply set this in such a manner that it coincides with the first image perfectly. Okay, right? And you can decrease the transparency, right? You can also add some more gradients. In the left side I am going to add the gradient, right? So my text could be visible, right? I'm going to add a heading, tour to Mount Abu, right? And we can simply change its color to white, and we can simply add the effect as hollow, right? And we can increase the thickness as per our requirement. It's done. We can add some more text. Life is a journey. Is a journey, right? We can turn its color to blue or whatever you want, right? And then you can simply add effect. Let's make it to drop, right? And change the color to blue, and then add effects again. Instead of drop, this time I'm going to use outline of white color, and I'm going to increase the thickness. Now it's looking fine, right? We can reduce the line spacing as well, right? So in this manner you can simply create a thumbnail for your travel videos using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.